Good morning, class. We will start explanation lesson 3. The name of the lesson is Save the Environment. Okay? First, take a screenshot. Read this poem. Many things our earth has got. Some are living and some are not. Rocks are and bushes, roads and trees, children and grass, elephants and bees. What's the differences? How to spot something living and something not. List below are the things mentioned in the poem. Do these things grow or not? Put a tick mark in the correct columns. Okay, class? Things: rocks, road, children's, elephants, bushes, trees, grass, bees. Things. Okay? Living and non-living means that grow, living, that do not grow, non-living. हमें क्या करना है? ये जो थिंग्स हैं इनमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके? रॉक्स लिविंग, ग्रो करती है? नो. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स that do not grow? Yes. Second, roads that grow, that do not grow. Road that do not grow. Tick it. Children that grow, it means living things. Elephant, grow, it means living things. Bushes that grow means living things. Trees that grow, living things. Grass, living things. Bees that grow, it means living things. Complete? Very good. Environment. Underline the word environment. Means the air, water and land in or which people, animals and plants live. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. The term environment has been derived from a French word environia, which means to surround. The word environment means the surrounding. in which organism, including human beings, live. Its chief components are soil, water, air, organism, and sunlight. Living, underline the word living. Living means which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduced are called living things. Non-living things, they do not have any kind of life in them, like brick, rocks. Things make up our environment. Living things or non-living things make up our environment. Okay, environment, the term environment has been derived from a French word environia, means to surround. It refers to both living things or non-living things. Living things means abiotic, and biotic means living things. Abiotic means non-living things. Abiotic means non-living things and biotic means living things. Environment, हमारा जो ये environment है इसमें living things और non-living things दोनों होते हैं. ठीक है. The word means the surrounding in which organism live. Human beings live. Its chief components are soil, water, air, organism, and sunlight. Okay. People, plants, flowers, and animals are live things. Rocks, roads, blackboard, chair, and desks are non-living things. Okay class, living things and non-living things. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the place we live in are a part of our environment. To live a healthy life, we must keep our environment clean. Okay. People, plant, flower, and animals are living things. Living things. All living things are need fresh air we breathe, the water we drink, and the place we live. Okay, living things. And rocks, road, blackboard, chair, and desks are non-living things. Okay class, no need air to breathe, वाटर, फॉर ड्रिंक, और उन्हें क्या, रहने के लिए कोई जगह भी नहीं चाहिए। क्यों? क्योंकि वो क्या है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं। ओके, these are living things and non living things. These are all part of our environment. Okay, to live a healthy life, to live a healthy, fit, good, फ्री फ्रॉम सिकनेस, अगर हमें ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए, सो वी शुड कीप द environment clean. Next point, pollution. Underline the word pollution. The meaning: pollution is the process of polluting water, air, and land, especially with poisonous chemical. In simple word, pollution is the flow of contaminants, dangerous substance into the environment that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organism, or that damage the environment. Contaminant means poisonous substance that makes something impure. In simple word, not pure. Dangerous, it is able to hurt or harm you. Underline the discomfort and uncomfortable feeling to mentally and physical. Okay class? In simple word, we can say pollution is a dangerous substance. Pollution is a stream in the environment. Pollution damage human and other living organism, or that damage the environment. पोल्यूशन, हम कुछ ऐसे वर्क करते हैं जिसके थ्रू जो पोल्यूशन है अपने आप ही क्रिएट होने लगता है. मीन्स गार्बेज बर्न करना है ना, अपने घर का जो गार्बेज है उसे रोड पे थ्रो कर देना. ये सब चीज़ें कुछ सिंपल सी चीज़ें हैं जिसके थ्रू गार्बेज क्या होता है, पोल्यूशन स्प्रेड होता है. और वो किसको डिस्कम्फर्ट करता है? फर्स्ट एनवायरनमेंट, सेकेंड थिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके क्लास, इन सब चीज़ों को वो क्या करता है, इफ़ेक्ट करता है. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स डिफरेंट टाइप की डिजीज़ेस या हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम से परेशान रहते हैं, है ना. इन्वायरमेंट में भी डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होने लगती हैं, है ना। लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो स्मॉल organism means a living things, especially one that is so small that you can only see it with a special instrument. Okay class, types of pollution. Next topic is type of pollution. There are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil/land pollution, fourth noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution means presence of poisonous gases and particulates in the air. Smoke in the air from factories is an example of air pollution. Underline the word poisonous, very harmful and able to cause illness or death. Particulates meaning an extremely small piece of dirty, especially on produced by road vehicles, that cause pollution. Smoke, underline the word smoke, the gray, black or white mixture of gas and very small pieces of carbon that is produced when something burns. Factories, a building where people use machines to produce goods. Okay class, air pollution is a type of environment. एयर पोल्यूशन क्या है? एक टाइप है इन्वायरमेंट में। इन्वायरमेंट है हमारा और उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप के पोल्यूशंस हैं, तो एयर पोल्यूशन भी उसी पोल्यूशन का एक पार्ट है। पोल्यूशन दैट इफेक्ट द एयर, किसको इफेक्ट करते हैं? एयर, एंड यूजली कॉज बाय स्मोक and other harmful gases. Okay class, okay, look at the picture. ये फैक्ट्री है ना। ये फैक्ट्री, अगर फैक्ट्री में कोई भी चीज, कोई भी मटेरियल बन रहा है तो उसमें जो यूज़ होते हैं गैसेस यूज़ होती हैं, केमिकल्स यूज़ होते हैं, तो उससे उसको क्लीन करने में उस मटेरियल को जो स्मोक पास आउट होता है, उससे जो स्मोक निकलता है, उससे जो गंदी गैसेस निकलती हैं, वो किस में मिक्स होती हैं? जाके हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में मिक्स हो जाती हैं और हमारे जो इन्वायरमेंट है उसको पोल्यूट कर देती हैं। ओके क्लास, व्हाट पोल्यूट्स एयर? The main cause of air pollutions are traffic. There are billions of cars, buses and bikes on the roads today that burn petroleum, underline the petroleum, that released, underline the released poisonous gas and soot into the environment. Petroleum means mineral oil that is found under the ground, release free soot, black powder that comes from burning that and collects in chimney. Okay. Today, thousands and millions of vehicles run on the road, due to which petroleum burns and poisonous gases, black smoke also come out, which damage our environment. Okay, class? Good. Second topic is power plant and power station. Okay. Tomorrow will be continue power plant and power station. Now start writing question, short question answer. Okay. Environment, the word, first letter capital, the word environment, the environment means the surrounding in which organism including, press your pencil, human being, live. Next line, pollution. First letter is capital, pollution is the flow of contaminant into the environment. that cause harm or discomfort to human or other living organism. First question is complete. Repeat once again. Defined environment and pollution. Answer 1. Environment. The word environment means the surrounding in which organism including human beings live. Pollution. Pollution is the flow of contaminants into the environment that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organism. Next line, question number 2. Question number 2. Name 2 disease caused by air pollution. Answer 2. Name 2 disease caused by air pollution. Answer 2. One, cough. Second number, asthma. Repeat again question number 2. Name 2 disease caused by air pollution. Answer 2. 1. Cough. Second, asthma. Question number 3. Question number 3. Name two disease caused by water pollution. Name 2 disease caused by water pollution. Answer 3. Number 1, water disease. Number 1, cholera. Second number, typhoid. 1, cholera. Number 2, typhoid. Question number 3 completed. Good. Repeat again. Name 2 disease caused by water pollution. Answer 3. Number 1, cholera. Second number, typhoid. Question number 4. Name 2 rodents that live on landfills. Name 2 rodents that live on landfill. Answer 4. 1, rat. Number 2, mice. It is completed. Very good. Now today's homework. Question number 1, what is environment? Second question, what is pollution? Write question answer on your notebook. Take a photo and send me. After this work, go to the washroom and wash your hand. Be ready for the next period. Okay?